What's going on, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. We're here once again in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, down by the beach. Got a south wind coming. It's 75 degrees and sunny in Florida. Anyway, we're also checking out this 1968 gorgeous Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Beautiful colors, Cortez Silver with red interior. It's got new seat covers, new door panels, a lot of new stuff on the interior. It's got absolutely immaculate paint by everyone's standard. Got a little bit of nice little flake in it, a little shine in the sun there. Butter smooth, not a bubble in it anywhere. Just absolutely gorgeous. See some of the reflections in the condo there in the clear coat. That is what you want to see. Obviously a 427 big block hood, but this is a small block 350 car. So 350 with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got power brakes, power steering. Brand new convertible top. If you hop on our website, you can see some pictures of the car with the top up. You got new white letter Indy 500 tires, lots of tread. Chrome and trim work are just absolutely immaculate on the whole car. There's no pitting in it anywhere at all. Say chrome, just excellent condition. Nice low grumble to the car. Rally wheels, obviously. It's that beautiful color combination. Like I said, all the bright work is just in excellent shape. It's all new. All new. From the emblems to, these kind of emblems, the trim, bright work, all beautiful. All this stainless is all brand new. Even down to the little vinyl rubbers were all replaced. Got new fuzzies in here. Gauges are completely clear. The fuel gauge is not working for some reason. Have not diagnosed it yet. Original trim tag here. I mean, even the door jambs, excellent condition. All these sill plates. Said seat covers, the foam inside the seat covers, carpet. It's all brand new. Was an original air conditioning car. Does not have AC currently. Up on our website, that we are going to put some pictures of the underside, and the car is on the rack. Beautiful engine bay here. Got some headers, nice dress up kit on the motor, just idling there just perfectly. There's our brake booster. Power steering pump down there, electronic distributor, nice radiator. Sorry, it doesn't look aluminum. But just idling there real nice, like it should. Excellent detail on the engine bay. Motor looks super nice. Anyway, y'all, we do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available for qualified buyers. Financing is just 10% down with a 680 credit score. Getting right into this beautiful, beautiful Corvette. Anyway, y'all, we're going to take a cruise. We'll sign off for now. But Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know how I can earn your business. This is Josh at Drive the Coast. Have an awesome day. Also, come visit us at the beach. Beautiful out there.